Hi guys, I hope you're all doing good. My name is Abhinay, and today I came on 8th day of Facebook Live in 1000 days. And today I'm going to talk about getting clarity over the thoughts. Recently, I have completed my internship from Digital Deepak. There, in that there are like more than 500 people in that specific batch, and many of them are stuck with what they have to focus on. What niche should I focus on? I'm not getting clarity over what I have to focus on. These are all the things that I hear from the people. And basically, when it comes to me, I was also a, I was also a confused person a lot. But one thing helped me a lot in the last 6 months when it comes to getting clarity over what I have to do. And today I wanted to share the same. So, what I really did is in this last 6 months, I have written every day. You also know that I have completed 100 days writing challenge, and also I started speaking about what my plans are and what I'm going to do, and all those things. During this period, people started giving me some inputs, and also I started understanding about the people. That is when I understood what I have to focus on really. So I simply suggest you to put out content outside. Even I have seen recently uh, from the post of my mentor, Digital Deepak, that first you have to put down the content, then you have to you will be getting clarity over your niche, then you can come up with your offerings and all those things, and finally the loop will be ending with the content only. And when I connected that with myself, I understood what he really mean, and also understood that it really works. And you are wondering like I'm at some new place and also doing something or the other thing. The reason is I'm at my sister's place, and I came out with my niece as she's not sleeping, because of which I wasn't able to focus on the live completely, and had to multitask. Okay then, thank you for being here. Bye bye.